My name is Keisha.
My name is Keisha.
And welcome back to
The Sizterz.
Today we are going to unbox this box from SLIME RAJAWALI. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Whoa! We get to make it! Yay! Whoa, look at this. What? This is glue. Oh my god, clear glue. But it smells bad. I don't know what it's. Okay, so this is really heavy and squishy. Whoa, we get to add balls. I don't want to add balls. Depends on you. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, clay. Whoa, clay. I want the pink one. Whoa, look at this. I want the pink one. Okay, fine. We have sponge. Sponge. Why? Why? I don't know why. Oh, I know. Maybe instructions. I watched instructions. Coloring. I accidentally broke it. It's okay. Well, don't make it break more. All right, let's move that box away, and let's. I'm gonna. Ooh. Oh, it looks like white. Okay, that's enough, I think. Okay, let's go. Done. All right. Okay, still one. All right, now let's make. No, wait. All right, so our mom opened it, so we're going to pour it with our spoon. With our spoon. Okay. That's too much. Look at this. Oh my god, that's so much. Pour some back. Pour some back. Well, that's way too much. That's way too much. No, it's gonna turn out like gray.
Cut tissue, please. Cut tissue.
Okay, look at
Pour it back. Pour
you
it.
guys wait.
Pour it back.
Guys, I don't know how much I have to do this. Just add a little. Alright. That's way. Oh my god, that's a lot. Alright, I have to pour it. No. Just add all of them. Just add all of them. But it's okay. Alright. Now put your spoon here. Alright, now we're gonna close the food coloring. Wait, how do you.
Keisha, close it first.
Oh my god, this is a Alright. Just add the food coloring here. Now we're gonna add the glitters. Alright. Glitters. Alright, we're going to. Alright, I'm gonna add that much. I don't want to add too sparkly. Oh! Alright, now it's time to mix it. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at mine! Whoa, look at mine!
Here, let me see.
Look at mine! This is amazing! Well, I like mine better than yours. Well, I like mine better than yours. How much is yours? Yours actually looks pretty cool. So guys, look at mine. I'll show you mine. It's like galaxy. It's so good. Oh my god, mine is turning into slime all already. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my hands. Okay, I'm gonna feel it. Oh, it feels so slimy. Mine is almost slimy though. Oh my. Whoa, it looks like galaxy. Look at that. It's available at November 11th at Shop.